Vacation season is here. You've booked your flights, made hotel reservations. Now it's time for the most critical part, packing your suitcase. Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a life-saving packing guide for your summer holiday. No more thinking, what should I bring? What if I forget something? Or why did I even pack this? By the end of this video, your suitcase will be light, organized, and complete. Let's get started. 1. Finalize your travel plans. First rule, never pack without knowing where you're going and what you'll be doing. How many days will you stay? Will it be hot during the day but chilly at night? Is it just a beach trip, or will there be nights out too? These answers will guide your clothing, shoes, and even accessory choices. 2. Make a packing list. Packing without a list is like going to the supermarket hungry. You end up with a lot you don't need. Plan your suitcase in categories: clothes, personal care products, electronics, medications, IDs, passport, documents, beach essentials. You can write it down or use your phone, but definitely make a list. And remember, less but better is the golden rule. 3. Choose outfits by creating combos. The just-in-case mindset usually leads to overpacking, and half of it stays unused. Instead, try this: plan outfits for each day. Choose pieces you can mix and match. Go for neutral colors: white, black, beige. For example, a white shirt can be worn with shorts during the day, with a skirt for dinner, or even as a beach cover-up. 4. Beach and pool essentials. If your summer holiday includes the sea or pool, don't forget these must-haves. At least 2 swimsuits, so you always have a dry one. Beach towel or pareo, hat, sunglasses, and lots of sunscreen. Flip-flops or sandals. Waterproof bag for wet items. Lightweight beach tote. And always remember, protecting your skin is smarter than getting burnt. 5. Smart packing techniques. A well-packed suitcase is all about good organization. Roll your clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles. Put shoes in bags, and stuff them with socks. Place heavier items at the bottom. Use clear pouches to group items. Transfer toiletries to travel-size containers and use plastic wrap to prevent spills. Don't forget a laundry bag, it's a lifesaver on the way back. 6. Personal care and toiletries. Going on vacation doesn't mean skipping self-care, but think minimalist: sunscreen, moisturizer, hairbrush, toothbrush and toothpaste, travel-size shampoo and shower gel, makeup, if needed, keep it light. Buy travel-sized products or refill your own mini containers with your favorite products. 7. Tech and important documents. Let's face it, a trip without tech feels incomplete. Phone and charger, power bank, headphones, ID, passport, hotel booking info. If traveling abroad, departure tax receipt, if required. Some cash and credit/debit cards. Keep all documents in a single folder, it'll make airport life so much easier. 8. Mini emergency kit. These aren't essentials, but you'll be so glad you packed them. Painkillers, stomach meds, allergy pills, band-aids, antiseptic cream, small sewing kit or mini scissors, wet wipes and hand sanitizer, small handbag or backpack, foldable tote, for shopping or beach use. And that's it. Your suitcase is ready. You're ready now, all that's left is to enjoy your vacation. What's your must-have item when packing? Share it in the comments, let's inspire each other. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. See you in the next video and have an amazing holiday.